Today I'm eating like actor and YouTuber MADELAINE PETSCH, who's most famously known for her role as the fabulous Cheryl Blossom on Riverdale, which I just started watching and I am literally addicted to the show. I am already on like episode 10 and I started it 3 days ago. MADELAINE follows a plant-based diet, recently launched a campaign with Fabletics, and actually has the most gorgeous skin and hair, so I will definitely have what she's having. Literally, because I'm eating like her today, obviously.
Okay, let's get started.
I'm doing my due diligence. I'm having some ice water before I have my coffee. If you haven't had water yet, this is your reminder. Let's drink some water together. It's coffee time. We're making coffee with almond milk and stevia. And look at that foam. I was debating adding a second shot of espresso, but I was like, let's get through the first, see how we feel before injecting more caffeine into my body. One of my favorite things about making these videos is kind of getting an inside scoop into people's morning routines specifically. How I get my caffeine is very important to me, and I really like trying other people's morning routines and seeing what works for them, and more importantly, how they prepare their caffeine, whether it is coffee or tea. MADELAINE's breakfast is oatmeal with bananas and blueberries made with almond milk. When I eat my oatmeal, I usually pile in like cinnamon, brown sugar, almond butter, like lots of yummies to make it a little bit less oatmeal. I will say I like that there's some blueberries in here.
Just eat the oatmeal already.
Oh, it's actually not bad. I mean, it's still oatmeal. It's still like what I would skip over if I was at like a hotel buffet. Like, it's not my go-to, but this isn't bad. It's not a texture thing for me. It's just like, I think I lean more towards savory breakfast.
You want to eat? Oh, you got to rub that on your body? You got to eat it.
Well, there's other things that I could do with it.
Like?
Things that I can't mention online.
That's disgusting.
If you know, you know. Anyway, MADELAINE has been instructed by her nutritionist to have a spoonful of coconut oil. And I am not excited about this, so I'm gonna eat this. I just don't understand. It's just like not what I want to be eating. Oh my god. I don't like it. Got the right flavor, but that texture is gnarly. It just turns right into oil. Post-workout is a smoothie, which if you watch my videos, you know is nothing new for me. I'm clearly about to make a smoothie. Sorry, I'm really close to the camera right now, 1 sec. I can't lie, the day got a little bit away from me. It's like 2 p.m. We're gonna make MADELAINE's smoothie. And she says she usually orders hers. If I could, I absolutely would, but it just doesn't make sense right now. Plus, the smoothie she gets is actually like a recipe that I use all the time. So it's bananas, blueberries, almond milk, and almond butter, and that's it. Oh, and protein. Here it is. That's really good. I don't really have anything else to add because this is literally what I make, except I add spinach in it. So I'm happy. I'm gonna have this now. So I may or may not be eating lunch at 4 p.m. right now. It's very simple. I'm going to have some dinosaur kale chopped up in a salad with some vegan chicken patties. Okay, I'm moving this because I'm gonna take my thumbnail here too. But I need to try this like spicy vegan chicken patty. That tastes so good, but it's not spicy by any means. Now we try it with the dinosaur kale. It tastes like really fresh. I wanted to recreate her thumbnail. I'm like this.
Let's move on.
I just went on a walk, so looking a little crazy. Mask always takes my makeup off. It's time to make dinner, and we're gonna have some protein pasta with veggie and vegan cheese, which I'm really excited about because I haven't tried this pasta yet before. I actually found the same one MADELAINE uses. It's made from red lentils, which seems really cool. Whoa. Stop, that is so good. I had every intention of having cantaloupe for dessert, but unfortunately the one that I got was rotten, so had to throw that one away.